Good afternoon, Judge. Yeah, my name is Lizz Wanyoike from the first concern. I'm going to read a tribute on behalf of the citizens. And I start. We are incredibly grateful in order to stand here today to share a little bit about our relationship with Mom. Coming from a humble background, she was determined to give us a better life, a better quality of life, but she made sure we kept our feet on the ground. She was determined to give us the best education that money could offer, though we all at one point inserted our own will in those choices. For example, I was earmarked to attend secondary school, but opted to attend higher secondary school. Stella chose to attend Sundai because she strongly wanted to pursue swimming, while Eric, at an early age, opted to attend boarding school, leaving my mom and dad a true empty nesters at an early age. It is when we were adults that we truly understood Mom's character and personality, and particularly her generous spirit. Growing up, we were always in the company of our relatives from both sides of the family, be it her younger siblings, like my uncle who stood here before me, who were literally raised in the same family, or our cousins who would share rooms with us until they were sent to boarding schools. Our household was a continuous beehive of activity and should have it known our own way. We also came to understand her love for her work and how it was an integral part of her. She is one of the very few individuals that we can talk about who truly lived her life with passion. She was fortunate and she was truly blessed by God. Whatever she put her hand to, she prospered. Most importantly, she worked hard and always led by example. Our mom was not one to stand over our heads, breathing down our throats at every time issuing threats. She was a mom who talked to us and allowed us space to explore and learn for ourselves. We were all determined to live our very best lives because she had given us our very best. She had an uncanny sense for business. She was a true risk taker. She was a take it or leave it type of person. Someone who was willing to try and fail, but never willing to accept not trying. This is why she gave us each the opportunity to explore our careers, though we all knew her secret desire was to have us all working with her. She worked strategically to ensure that there was a position for each one of us, while throwing soft hints here and there. We chose to come back to join her in business, though we truly believed in her vision for this, because we truly believed in her vision for this country. Her true business was to grow and develop people. And the principle she had, this is a principle she always practiced. We are often told that we have a huge legacy to continue and that we have a big shoe to fill. We agree to this. What we can say here today, as we remember our dear mom, is that we will continue to endeavor to fulfill her vision for education, doing so in our own unique way. There is no way we could fit into her shoes by ourselves. We will need others like yourselves, those who have walked closely with Mom, those who have shown her favor and grace, and those who believe she is capable. jump in together to continue fulfilling her vision and her dreams. We will miss you, Mom. May you rest with the Lord.